How to engage students with Canva presentations. In this tech tip video, I'm going to share a few new engaging tools that Canva has added to their presentation platform. There are many different things you and your students can do in Canva, such as create presentations, infographics, videos, flyers, websites, and so much more. You can also get a free education account with your school email, which will give you access to many more resources than the normal free Canva account. If you are used to creating presentations in Google Slides or PowerPoint, you might want to give Canva a try to see all of the things Canva has to offer. The presentation that you see here came almost completely preloaded. All I did was add in different content and change some pictures around. There are hundreds of different preloaded templates that you can choose from when creating your presentations. Today, I'm going to share just a couple of different engaging tools that you will type on your keyboard when using the presentation mode in Canva. Let's first put our presentation in presentation mode. You will type present in the upper right hand corner. You will press it, and then you will just press present. The first engaging tool is D for drum roll. So I'm going to press D on my keyboard, and it will do a drum roll for within your presentation. The next one is C for confetti. So on my keyboard, I'm going to press C. The next one is U for curtain call. And the last tool is M for mic drop. So throughout your presentation, this might be a way to better engage students so that they are more interested in what the presentation is about. Thank you for watching.